Hello, my name is Janice LaRoche, a Stamping Nana. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And today we're going to make a card similar to this one. I'm going to use different colors. So let me show you the supplies that I used. From the new mini catalog that's good until June, I used the Positive Thoughts stamp set. And coming for you to order on February 4th are coordinating products that go with this. So the dies are coming out on February 4th. So let me show you the stamp set. This is the stamp set, and it's a cling set. And it's got beautiful font and lovely sayings in it. And then these are the dies. So here. I stamped everything in Blueberry Bushel, so I hope you can see it really well. So the sending positive thoughts and feel good wishes, and then a little design thing. Friends like you mean more every year. Then I did it upside down, so you could use it both ways. Plus I'd stamped off, so that's 2 different shades. Hugs, prayers, and love. Then I did the leaf, and I stamped off. And a flower, and I stamped off. Then the feather, and a butterfly. So, I mean, it's got pretty, I love it, and it's a keeper because it reminds me of an old set, the very first set I think I ever bought a few years ago when I started back up to Stamping Up. And I can't even remember the name of it now, but it reminds me of that set. So these are the dies. So it cuts out this beautiful rectangle with the stitching in here. Then your leaf, your feather, your flower, and your butterfly from the set, from the stamps. Then you have these little leaves, this feather that's embossed. I don't know that you can see it too well. Then you have this little inner that would be like for the inside of a flower, and the little things stick up. Then another little leaf, a little butterfly, and a little edgelet. And it's very pretty. So that's all the dies. You get 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 dies and 8 stamps. So there are more dies than there are stamps. So that is what I used. So we can put all this aside in the mini catalog. So there it is. Right. Don't think I need any of that anymore. And I did not use the sentiments from this stamp set. I used it from the little ladybug. And this you can get free during celebration if you have a party or you know, hold an event and you earn $300 in hostess rewards, then or get sales of 300, then you can get this for free. And it's a beautiful, another cling stamp set, and it's very pretty. I love the happy birthday font. So that's the happy birthday I'm going to use. Okay. So I do need these. So I haven't decided when I'm going to use white or petal pink. But this is our card. So I'm going to sit this up here. And the colors I chose today were Pear Pizzazz for the leaves. I've already got them cut out. So Saffron and Petal Pink and Highland Heather for the flowers. And the butterfly I believe I did in Petal Pink too. So that's my colors for today, and I have everything stamped and cut, or die cut, except for the sentiment, because I didn't want this to be a really long video. Right, I did the embossing of this using the Parisian Flourish 3D folder. It's a beautiful, beautiful folder. I think this one will be a keeper forever too. So I love it. That's what I used for that too, and I'm going to show you how I did this. So I need to decide what I'm doing. Oh, booga. Okay, but first let's bring in my cutter. And I have cut this down to 3 3/4 by 5, I believe. No, it's 5 1/2. So let me cut that down a little bit more to 5. Or 5 1/4. Yeah, let's do 5 1/4. So 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. See what that looks like on here. I need to make it a 1/4 inch smaller. So 5, yeah. Let's do it 5. So that way it'll be even all the way around. Right. So 3 3/4 by 5. Alright, so what I did was I just put one corner up here and then the other corner down there. Make sure you got your tips of your corners in the groove of the cutter and then just cut it. So, and then I took that and embossed it using the embossing folder, and this is what I came out with. Okay, so I already have that done. I just wanted to show you how I cut it. Right. And you all know how to stamp, so I just stamped and die cut all my flowers, this little pieces, the edgelets, the butterfly, and the leaves. So I already have them cut out. Let's see if we're going to use petal pink or white. I still like the white. Yeah, I think I'm going with the white. Alright, so for this, we are just going to tack a little bit of tape here and there. I'm not going to really see it too much. I need to fold it. Can't pick anything up with my nails. Use my bone folder. Right. Now, to stick this down on here. I think it's the The 3 3/4 by 5 will leave a bigger gap. It won't fill it like this. This is a little larger piece. So then I'm going to take these, and I think I will just take my little silicone mat and stick some tape on this here, there, and everywhere. Oh, I broke it, but that's not going to matter. There. Put it over there. Stuck to my finger. And then this too. In the middle. I think I got more on my fingers. And it doesn't matter if it overlaps in the middle. We are just going to place it on there because you're not going to see that. We're going to put the leaves over it. So then you take your 2 leaves and we'll do the same thing. We'll put some tape all over that. Or you can use liquid glue, whatever kind of adhesive that you like. I'm going to put it down a little bit so we can see our thing, and we'll put it off. There. We'll put it on a little angle. Don't know if I'm off camera. I shouldn't be, but okay. Let's do this right in the middle. Alright, then we'll take the other one. Yeah, I used a scrap to cut out all my bits. That was from the paper pumpkin. Right, now I'll go to this side and layer that down there. So we have one going that way and one going that way. Let's see. So we could put 1, 2, and then put that on dimensionals. That work. So more tape. A couple of little bits of tape. Once you get your pieces cut out, this is really quick. It's not a hard card to make. And I think it looks very pretty and elegant. That's 2. And then this we're going to put on 2 dimensionals. Not that kind. I need that for the other part there. I'll put 3 on here. There we go. There we go. I'm going to sit that on there, like so. Okay, then we can take our butterfly. Again, I use petal pink, so I'm just going to fold its wings like so. And take 2 of these little dimensionals on each side. One there, one there. And then one on this side and one down the bottom. I just don't want it to go flat on my card. So I'm going to take a little liquid glue and stick it in the middle, like so. And we will stick this, about right there. So we're still showing all the flowers. Just hold it for a second. Right. Now for our sentiment, like I said, I wanted to use a happy birthday sentiment. So I'm going to use this from the Little Ladybug stamp set. I'm going to stamp in Highland Heather. So I don't know if it'll fit that way. No, because I won't have any room left. Let's put it this way. And then I'll just cut it out. So we have our happy birthday. And then all I did was I just cut as small as I need it. And that was not very straight, so I didn't stamp it very straight. So we can do that. Cut it again. And then cut it here. Don't need that anymore. So here is our happy birthday, and what I want to do is a banner cut on this. So I'm just going to cut it up the middle and then cut from side to side. That side and then that side. Or you could use a punch. Oops, I didn't do that very straight, so let's do it again. In the middle. Yeah, that's better. Not 100%, but it's better. Alright, and then what I do is I just take it and I bend it. So you bend it, you curve it. And then we're going to curve this part out. And we're going to curve this part out. So we have a wave, sort of. And I am going to stick some little dimensional right in here. So it doesn't go flat on me. I'll stick 2 of these little dimensionals in here. There's 1 and 2. That'll work. And then I'll take a little liquid glue and we're going to put it here and here. And I don't need that anymore. So then we will take our sentiment and we're going to stick it underneath the butterfly, and we'll put his wings down a bit towards this corner, and we're going to hold the happy birthday down for a tad till it sticks. There we go. So we have like the loop there, and it won't go below that. Those won't let it go flat. So, and the butterfly won't go flat. So that is our card. Now let's get some gems on the butterfly. I need a pokey tool. So we will put a medium size one up here, and then we'll put some smaller ones. And one more there. And another one. Right. Now they did have the centerpieces, and I didn't bring one to use. Let's see. I thought I did, but I didn't. Like, I cut all these out because I'm going to do a class on this stamp set. Nope. Alright, here's the centers. I wonder if I have one. Petal pink. So what you do is you can take your pokey tool and poke these all through so they're sticking up on the other side. It might take a minute. Half done. Just poke them all through, and like so they'll be standing up so you can see them. Like so. and then stick it on your flower like that if you like. If not, just leave it off because it's already got the center there anyway. But I forgot about that. So anyways, there is our card. I hope you liked it. I don't know that I will get another one done before February now because I'm going on a cruise with my friends and my family and my team members, of course. So we won't be back until the 30th of January. So it might be February before I get another card uploaded. So I hope you enjoyed this card, and give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Help support me and encourage me to make some more videos. Oops, I just knocked the camera. Very sorry about that. And I will have all the measurements and everything you would need on my blog. And oh, I didn't tell you what this was either. This was the Perennial Essence Velum, and that was the petal pink, and they have the So Saffron, and they have a green, which I think was Pear Pizzazz or Old Olive, one of the two. So it's got the 3 colors. Doesn't say. Okay, sorry about that, but yes, it's the yellow, the green, and the petal pink in the vellum pack that is in the annual catalog with the Perennial Essence stamp set and paper as well. So there you go. That was that. Forgot about that. Really sorry. Okay, you have a great evening. I will see you all in February. And I hope you stay warm and comfy. Have a great day. Bye.